Hey guys, welcome back to Come Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back again with the group RBD. Yes, I'm back again with the group RBD. Hopefully they won't block this one because I try my best as hard as I can to get RBD videos not blocked. So I'm gonna go in and out, not to get blocked. So this is RBD Enséñame. Yes. Give it to me, sister.
Porque simple y sencillamente nunca he sabido actuar.
Okay.
Sé que mueres por mí, vives por mí, nunca me has dejado atrás. Aunque sabes que a veces yo soy solo miedo. Pero vives aquí junto a mí, en mi interior, en este corazón contigo. Por eso te pido, por favor, enséñame a quererte un poco más, a sentir contigo. El amor que tú me das desvanece el frío.
The one with the red head, I think if I can remember correctly, she's the one who's pregnant. I love her body. I'm just inspired to go to the gym. Oh, sing, baby girl.
Tengo que reconocer que todo esto me ha salido mal. Por eso voy a aprender, voy a vivir, voy a abrazarte más y más. Y no quiero, y no debo, y no puedo.
One thing I would give about a group RBD, excuse me, and a lot of people's also saying as well, the group is very the songs I've reacted to, the live performance that I've seen that I reacted to from this group RBD, the Mexican group, they're very good. They're very good. They're very good. They're very good. Obviously, this is an older video, you can tell, but they're very good. I do enjoy them live. I don't understand fully what they're saying verbatim, word for word, but they're very entertaining to watch. So I'm gonna give them that RBD. So thanks for the RBD fans to sending me the recommendation and staying consistent with me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Their body is amazing.
Es dolor el saber que lo nuestro se puede terminar, porque simple y sencillamente nunca he sabido actuar.
Yes. Yeah. Come on, baby girl in the front. Yes. Yes. Yes, look at all those people. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much, RBD, for that song. Insane Name, song by the three lovely ladies from the group. Vocally talented, very good performers, Mexican, all group. I love it. Thanks to the one who recommend me to react to it. I would say it over and over again. I really do enjoy this group. All the recommendation I've been getting and reacting to from this group have not been disappointed at all. Good job. And they come from a show. Chris. Papi Pablo. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get to it as soon as possible. As always, thank you so much, RBD fans. Thank you so much for your recommendation. Thank you so much for staying with me. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.